good afternoon. This is Captain Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. Today I'm on board the 307 Freedom. This is one of the most versatile boats in the Grady-White inventory. If you take a look around, you have tons of room back here on the back deck. You have the fold-down seat and a retractable recliner back here. So you can totally bring this in and fold that back seat down to have plenty of room for fishing. You have a huge live well and a huge fish box back here, so you could either use it as a cooler, either one of them, or both insulated, both drain overboard. This has the optional cockpit step to make it easier getting on and off the boat. A lot of people just use it as a seat when they're fishing. On here you have a fridge and a grill, the Kenyon electric grill. Both of these work off of the inverter package. This boat comes with the inverter package. And you have a freshwater sink. Moving forward, you have plenty of room on the dash to mount two 16-inch Garmin screens or whatever type of screen you would like. You have all the controls you would need, upgraded stereo system. You have a nice spacious head and storage compartment here. It has filler cushions, so you could use it as a sleeper if you needed to get out of the sun for a few hours. Moving forward, this boat's also shown with the optional casting platform in place with the cushions, so you can either use it as a lounger or take the cushions off and use it to fish. Back in the rear of the boat, you can see we have the great shore shade. It's electronically controlled. It'll retract or go out all the way to the transom. It provides a lot of shade if you're out there in the sun for the day. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. My name is Captain Pete Colton, 305-389-4946.